Welcome back to another stream. I'm glad you guys made it. You know what time it is at 8 o'clock hour. That's money time. Here we are. Another trading video. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I hope y'all ready. This is gonna go down today, I'm sure. Like it does every day. So we're just gonna jump right on into it because it's that 8 o'clock hour and market is moving, and we are currently in some trades. So we got in to the trade into the signal group with trade. If you're in my signals group, then you are currently in a trade here. Where was it? It was right. It was before it broke out. So right there. 60 pips, of course. And we went to, you know, right here. And the last TP is 23.19. I'm sorry, 23.21. So 21 would be right here. All right. We're still waiting on TP2 to get hit. TP1 was hit down here at 23.17. Just waiting on TP2 now to get hit, and TP3 is right here at 23.21. If you're in my Telegram group, you will see that this trade was already placed in the group probably about 25 minutes ago. If you come here to the stream, you will notice that sometimes I've already got the group into a trade, so it's best to have a Telegram group, and this way you can get the update before the stream, because a lot of times the movement that I'm looking for is happening before stream. So by the time we get on here, we're already in a trade. All right, but yeah, we've already been in this trade. Let's just reiterate a little bit on yesterday. After the stream, yesterday we got like 50 right here. This was our trade yesterday. Here, we did get 54 pips or something like that off of this trade. Yesterday I placed two different trades in the group. Both of them hit TP2. Now you understand TP2 is 40 pips out. So it did hit TP2, and here we are hitting TP2. for the group. Let me update them real quick. I do these updates live, as you could tell. If you're in the group, then you'll be able to see all the updates live. Okay. So make sure you hit that link in the description below. It's free. It's free to enter the group. I give out a lot of free trades throughout the week. I do have a paid group, but the free group gets the VIP signals, gets some of their signals, not all of them. But I do throw out, a nice amount of signals throughout the week, so that you should be able, inside of the free group, be able to make money, right? Okay, so let's talk about it real quick while we're waiting on TP3. This was yesterday's trade right here. This one, this P&L. As you can see, we entered 2312. She went all the way to 2317, right? So you got a good, nice 50 pip push off that. That was good. I was only looking for a good 20 pips, 20 to 40 pips, and we got that, right? And then after that, it was just like I took partials, and then the rest was just at break even, which break even did come back and get hit. Now, they didn't get above this high, right? They closed below it, which was kind of like an indication that they were getting ready to turn around. It wasn't going all the way up to this insufficiency in price or get above these highs, but it broke. I mean, not broke, but it reached and it turned around. All right. So by doing that, I had already let you guys know that below there was liquidity, right? We marked this liquidity up a long time ago, and we said, hey, I told you guys yesterday on stream, before I got off stream, if she comes back to our entry and get below this low, she's definitely going to this next target area. So off stream, when I got off a stream with you guys, I saw this happen, right? And I was looking for this area to get tapped into for a buy. And I did buy down here in this area, okay? And look where she went. She actually outperformed herself here. I was expecting her to only come up to, 150 some pips, but, there was a gap above that. So I was like, if she runs, she can run higher. And then maybe we can get above these highs, and this high here, which she did. If you look, she is getting into our insufficiency in price. She didn't do it here. She's doing it now here. Okay. So that was a good, look there. If they don't get there immediately, they're going to go and grab some other lows, which they did, as you can see here. They grabbed some other lows, and then they reversed. So they swept these lows, even look left, swept this low here, right? Got way below it. Boom. Take them out. They hit that area. This was a really nice little area here. As they were refusing to move lower, didn't get below this low. So I kind of was comfortable with letting this buy just run. But I had my stop, my take profit here, so I left more on the table. But that's okay. We got back in. We're still looking good. And boom, we're getting ready to probably hit TP3 here really soon. Let me just double check something. Let me look look how she's reacting here. All right, she filled this whole area, this gap here. Filled it really nice. All right, so what we're going to do right now, because we are up in profit, we got 50 pips since, you know, the signal dropped. So it moved 50 pips for us. What we can go ahead and do, because we don't want to turn a winner into a loser, we want to make sure we keep this trade risk-free. So we're just going to go ahead and break even. So I'm just going to let the group break even on this signal, or take partials, or take profit, or whatever you want to do, but just go ahead and protect yourselves. So I just let them know that real quick. Just to protect yourself, you know. We don't want to turn a winner into a loser. So we're just going to do this. Now everybody is risk-free. We are now at break even. Let me look. Let's see what I could do. Manage this trade a little bit more. I'm going to move. I'm going to take partials right now, and I'm going to move my stop loss into profit above my position, like really close to break even, but taking a little bit of money off the table. This is a nice fill, imbalance fill here. So let's go to 15-minute real fast. Yeah, that was a really, really nice imbalance fill. If you could see where she reached at this wick here, look left, she got all the way up into this white candle, previous white candle before the push down move. She got probably about 50% of that candle, but you know, she could still continue to run up. We have this nice little manipulation wick right here, right? And we got a gap above that. So, I mean, we still got money sitting above, okay? They're pushing up really nice. I solely wish I would have held this trade. I got out of it. Yeah, I wish I would have held it. It hit the TP in my sleep, so I mean, that's always a good thing too, right? Having your TPs get hit while you're sleeping. Like my break even, I was set at break even. So if she was to come down anywhere up in here, I was gonna be out at break even. But she fluctuated really nice, really, really nice. She didn't. This was the last little push peak here down. They did a little small peak below, and then they ran up. That was nice to let me know that, hey, we're coming here to this hour, this candle, 15-minute candle. We're coming to this 15-minute candle, that one. So I know I should have chose this 15-minute candle right here. This one. I should have chose that one as my another target. I should have brought it up some. Well, I just, you know, just wanted to play it safe, and I mean, 152 pips is good on a trade while I'm sleeping, I guess. You know, ain't no arguments there. I want to see something. All right. I mean, we were off a little bit from this. We should still get that. Let me go to the 4-hour real quick. We look at the 4-hour, how she's moving back to the upside strongly, nicely. Want to see more of a push on her too. So that's what I'm waiting on. Just waiting on this last TP to get hit. This was the shot here from yesterday. I found the shot on the reason why she would push up, and man, did she push up. She pushed up nicely from here. 253 pips. You can't beat that. All right, so yeah, let's wait. I want to wait and see how we hit TP3, if TP3 gets hit. So we're just gonna wait for it right here in this area. All right, I'm gonna grab some tea because I need it. I need it bad. Yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait. Excuse me. So we're gonna wait and see what happens. Because we are now at break even. Make sure you're managing your trades and you're like taking profits. You know, you see money, you want to take money. You know what I'm saying? My job is pretty much just to get you into the trade and oops, my bad. Yeah, get you into the trade. You know, get the TP1, 2, or 3. Sometimes TP3 doesn't get hit. You know, for TP1 and 2. You know, most higher probably bigger chance of getting hit. Look at that imbalance fill so nicely on the 5-minute. Look, this imbalance fill. We saw this is in the past. This was done back on the 25th, right? And now look where we are. Later in the future, we're back at that area, right? So we'll see. I'm gonna probably let's see. Let's go with yeah, let's go with that. All right. Hold on, where is it? Yep, she's back now. 50% of the trade now. Which is fine. Just want to check that to see. Alright, so we're sitting at probably floating around 25 pips right now. I mean, you guys can do it how you want. We've already been pushed up to 50 pips. Just make sure you're managing accordingly. That's all. Like now, I'm looking at this market and seeing like how she's got back up into this area. Like she had to do all of this just to get back up into here, right? And this is what they're taking out liquidity here. I don't know why my computer's moving slow, but it is. Taking liquidity there. I know I'm supposed to go get my tea, but you know, sometimes the chart just grab you. Alright. Okay. This one's done too. This one got X'd out too. So we got some liquidity, some things. We can find some things here above on my chart. Like that right there. This here was a nice little, an area to shoot off of, right? Coming back up into this area here and then pulling away. That was a nice little sell area. I'm just gonna go ahead and actually I've already I've already taken profits off the table and stop loss in profit. I think that's good enough. I think I'm pretty far enough where if market was to, like, if she came down, she didn't tap me. She needed to come down a little further to get me. But looks like we could be running back up. Hopefully we can get this push back up. All I needed her to do was come to 2320. 2321, my bad. So we'll see. Let's see after this 15-minute candle closes. See how we pull back. Let me see. I want to know how we're going to close the next 8 minutes. So wait 8 minutes until this 15-minute candle closes. Still got this liquidity here, liquidity up here. Looks real good. Man, I wish I would have held this. Got out of there too fast. Should have known she was going to come further up. But you know, if you're not sitting here watching these charts all day long, which I don't do. I don't watch charts all day long, guys. Let me see. She might. Let me take a little more off the table. Alright, so I just took a little bit more off the table. If she does come back, I'm already, this is a win, guys. So let me update the win. That's what I like to see. I like to see those W's. Even if, listen, even if it's just a small amount of profit, guys, it's still profit, right? What you want to do is you want to get into the trade and you see money, you know, you want to protect it, and you also want to take some money. Like, why wouldn't you take money? You should. Like, my computer was super slow this morning. Will we continue to get this push up above this area, or will she like fly to the downside? Momentum is up. So I don't know why my computer is like moving like super freaking slow today. It's super slow today. Alright. Let's see. My trading view got a little stuck there. Let me see if I can find it on the 1 minute. I don't know why it's getting stuck. It's taking forever to just change charts. It's acting like a Monday. Usually this dude is on Monday. Everything is like getting a little stally right now. I'm not sure why, but let me pause this music stuff and see if I can figure it out. Yeah, don't understand why it's super laggy, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay. Alright. Look how they did this imbalance fill. They filled that thing all the way. This is actually a place that I would have probably wanted to shoot sales at. Just by looking. Let me go back to the 5 minute. thing is lagging like crazy. When I need to be like back and forth, it wants to lag. Let me turn off this. Alright, let's try it now. I think it was because my YouTube was still open. Alright. It's still not showing me what I was looking for. What I need to see. I mean, they did react really good off of this area and pull down for that sale. They filled it pretty nicely. Moved a good 28 pips. They're in this area and they're stalling. So, let's investigate. Because this right here, guys, does look like this was a nice little shot here for a sale. I'm not even going to lie to you. Just by basing it off of what it did off the insufficiency on the 5 minute. Right? This is insufficiency on the 5 minute, this blue box. Well, they filled that blue box and then they ran. So getting below this low here, could show us to come a little further down. Because look at all these buyers in this market. Oops. There's massive amounts of buyers in this market right now. Yeah, it was a nice little push-up move to the upside too. But, you know, they could be done with the push-up, but then they could not be done with it and continue up. We would just have to watch, keep watching. This 15-minute candle, I'm waiting on it to close. This was a nice little push into this insufficiency and turnaround point. I ain't even gonna lie to you. That would have been a nice sell. Probably would love to actually sell this market. Yeah, they did that. That was really good. But I'm already taking some partials. I've already put the group at break even. We've hit TP1 and 2 already. TP3 is this line up here at 23.21 at alert. Still, you know, still got some chances of it, you know, getting up there again. We just have to wait and see. I didn't see what I was looking for exactly for a turnaround. Like this area would have been probably a shot. Not sure how much of a pull I would, like a snatch I would have got off of this. Like, would this market continue to the downside or off of that shot? Because that was a really nice little 5-minute fill over here. Look left. If you look left right there, they did that. Boom. This could got above these highs, take liquidity. I mean, it's all adding up for sales right now. Right? This would have been a nice little area to shoot off of. It's still not a bad little area to get in at, too. Where, like, even where it's sitting at. I'm talking about like a good 20, 29. Let's do 28. 28 pip stop right there. So, I mean, if you think about it, this market could possibly, let me go to the 1 minute, the 1 hour, off of that manipulation candle right there. She could pull, she could pull back down. We got all this insufficiency below, like coming back down 100 and some pips, 140 pips. I'm waiting to see where she would turn around at. This looks like a good spot for her to have turned around at. Not to say that, you know, she won't continue going up. But I'm just saying, like, looking at how this candle wicked up into this area and snatched, now I'm just watching her on a lower time frame because, to be honest, this does look like, you know, she could come down. But like I said, she could be not done just yet. Did we just get TP3 just got hit? Let me go look. Yeah, TP3 just got hit nicely. I'm sitting here thinking like we could get that push down, but it was a manipulation candle to the push up. TP3 got hit, and now we pull back down. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna update the group real quick, let them know that was quick, that was fast. TP3 got hit. Wasn't expecting it that fast, but hey, now I'm thinking, shoot, you know, let me look and pay attention to this area because she is like spazzing out, going crazy. All right, so let me just let the group know. Go TP3 smash, and I'm still holding this trade. Like I said, she didn't come down far enough to hit my stop in profit, so which is good. It's always a good thing. All right, stickers. All right, and y'all already know what time it is. That was a nice little shot there. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm updating the group right now so that if you're in the Telegram group, you're getting these updates. Just know that it's free to enter the Telegram group, guys. Everything that I do on stream here, I update into the Telegram group. You know, it's a good way of keeping track of your trades. TP's hit. Let's go. All right, so we got on lower time frames. Okay, guys, there's a lot of manipulation that be happening. All right, I was thinking, off of this area, I probably would have took a shot, but I would have got hit. Boom. I only would have probably just got to like maybe that 20, 30 pip or whatever. Let's see. Off of this area. Yeah, 30 pip. I mean, that's not really enough to, make any noise, but the way she's moving right now is kind of like strong manipulation that's happening right now. They got above this high here, reaching up in this area. I want them to reach higher, like up here. All right, let's go look on the 15-minute real quick. Nice manipulation you guys are doing here, guys. I like that. I like to see that. Getting above those highs. If only now you will show me on the lower time frame that we're turning around. Still not showing me. Still not showing me. This all just buy momentum. Let me see what's happening here real quick. Usually DXY must be doing something. Must be pushing down like, oh yeah, DXY did manipulation. Look at that. Look at that pop. This wick pop up into this insufficiency in price and then snatch down. Beautiful to the downside. To the downside. Let's just see something. 5-minute. That was nice. In the 5-minute insufficiency, right? Sweep the lows. We got some more here. Look, insufficiency. They dipped into it right here. Hold on. So you can see. This wick went into this insufficiency in price here. See that? Insufficiency sitting right there. Boom. Tagged all up into that insufficiency in price. It should still be moving down. Let me check the 4-hour on the dollar real quick. Yeah, yeah. She moving down, so we should be straight on gold. Let's see. I mean, we've already hit all our TPs, guys. That was nice. You know, she came close to testing our entry, but not close enough. Hit our TP. So yeah, that's what we got today. I mean, and we're pretty much done trading. It's what, 8:35 right now, and we're pretty much done trading. We've already hit 60 pips, right? If you want to hold this out just to see what it might do, I mean, it's totally up to you. I've already got you into the trade and got you 60 pips, so you should be good and happy. If you want, let me just go to the daily real quick and see what's happening. Daily pulled back nicely. Daily pull. Look at the previous daily candle. If you look at the previous daily candle, look how from here, this wick, the end of this bottom wick, all the way down here. What do you think this was? Insufficiency in price. That was a gap. They need to fill that. Look how they came down and came back up with a white candle, filling all of this. Filled all of that, right? No, just know here when I'm gonna just go back to it. Know when they were selling, pushing, selling, getting below lows, right? Getting into insufficiency in price. They were pushing, selling to buy. They were selling to buy. When they selling, they're buying. When they're buying, they're selling, right? So I know a lot of retail traders would have saw these black candles and was like, oh, still sells, but not understanding the psychology behind the black candles, right? You got buyers in these market and sellers in these market. They need an equilibrium, but the only way for big money to play is they have to hedge themselves into position, which means they have to sell right here to buy. This ain't us. We can't make these big ass candles, guys. We can't do none of this. Look at this. Buy to sell. Buy to sell. Sell to buy. You see it all over the board. We're not doing this. We can't do this. This is a daily chart. We can't make these big ass candles. Only they can. Right? So keep that in mind. That's a nugget right there. Straight up, that's a nugget right there. You should have wrote that down. When they're buying, they're selling. When they're selling, they're buying. Pay attention. All right. This is a class. I am teaching you smart money concepts, right? And I'm also, giving you a chance to earn while you're learning your smart money concepts. Look at all these trades we've been taking, right? Look, trade here, trade here, trade here. You know what I'm saying? You're getting money all over the board. Except for this one, I traded this one yesterday after stream. All right. This one, I got you guys in today. When I woke up this morning, I seen this and I was like, oh, so we're moving back up now. Okay, cool, great. Check DXY moving down, great. Let's get into the trade. Let's find a position to get in at so that way we don't get hit. My job was to get you guys into this trade at 23.15 and to get you, hopefully price gets up to 23.21, which she did. Smash. TP 1, 2, and 3 already hit. We're done, guys. And look how she's continuing running up. Why? Why do you think this is happening? Because there is liquidity sitting above. Oh, she's moving nicely too. That is nice. Tagging these areas, getting up into these areas. Now let's go to 1 hour real quick. What do we have above? Insufficiency in price 2. So this one is out. They got these guys, got above this wick. That's done. Boom, them guys out. Hopefully they took some profits, right? There. Go back to 5 minute. Look how that nice little push there. Nice little push right there. Okay. That's all really, that I really have for you guys today. I just wanted to come here and live and get you guys into a trade. I did. I accomplished the mission. I'm gonna look left. I'm gonna make sure everything is still getting taken care of accordingly. Yeah, they're pushing above, pushing above. All right, we still got insufficiency. We got these highs up here, and we got a big old pool of money sitting right there. So we should be good, guys. I'm just gonna go through this chart. All right, still looking good. That was a nice play. I don't know why I had my stop here. I was asleep. I had a take profit here. I actually should have got up. And before I went to bed, I saw the trade, right? Around that 10 o'clock hour. I was in the bed around 10 o'clock. And I saw where market was sitting. And I was like, well, break even then, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to bed. I'm not going to leave the trade just running. No stops, no nothing, no TP. So I went ahead and set a TP, a pretty high TP. I wasn't expecting to get 152 pips off of it, which I could have actually easily kept that thing running because I missed out on 156 pips from this P&L here. But got into the group this morning. We are here, right? And all of our P&Ls got, look at it smacked, right? We're good, right? All TPs hit. So, I mean, I ain't gonna complain about today. I mean, I'm good. This thing is still running nicely. Didn't hit my stop in profit. Came very freaking close to it though, but didn't hit it and continued to push up, which is great. Now, it's all totally, again, up to you and what you want to do with your account. Manage it how you want. You can hold this trade, or you can be already done for the day, which I am done for the day. I will be back here tomorrow, 8 o'clock Eastern time. I do this every day, Monday through Friday, guys, right? Only reason I probably won't be here is if I got like a VA appointment or something like that, right? But I'm here for you guys. If you got any questions, if you need a little help, just hit me up. I'm easy to contact. You can find me at Mo Diesel on Instagram. All right. Spelled how it's spelled here on the bottom of the screen, right? Yeah, you can find me there. You can DM me. You can say, hey, I saw your stream. Quick question. It's that simple, right? Or you can be in a Telegram group. You can't DM me in a Telegram group, but I'm sure you can find a way to message me on there. I'm not sure how you can message me on there because those are just broadcast groups. You guys can't type in it or nothing like that. It's not like a group, a chat that you can come in and you're gonna be chatting all over the place. Yeah, I don't have that type of noise in my group. But anyways, thank you guys for coming to the stream. You guys are really the real MVPs because you came here, you showed up. You know what I mean? And when you show up, we're gonna show out. I tell you guys this every day, right? Like, I need to update the what is it? My bad, guys. My little down below the record because today we made our 35th win. All right, so we're probably sitting at 80% win rate this month. So it's looking really good so far. Yeah, and that's it, guys. Um, go back to the other videos that I posted if you want to see how I caught these moves here, here, here. There's a lot of moves that we did catch. If you guys want to go back and see how we caught those moves, feel free. I try to leave a lot of the moves on here that we do catch. I got rid of some moves. Here go one here, here, here. This big one here. That was a nice catch there. I think, oh, did we get up in there? Yeah, I think we got up in there. Let me just check. Let me check 15 minutes. Yeah, we got from this move here. Look at this wave. Look how high this wave went. This entry here was just magic. It did. Look, it just did all of that. That was just magic, guys. 808 pip move, guys. This 800 pip move, guys. You can't tell me smart money concepts don't work. They do. I ain't never seen moves like that when I was working any other, what was it called? The retail way, should I say. None of the retail stuff worked. But as soon as I switched to smart money concepts, it worked. Okay, so make sure you come back here every day at 8 a.m. Eastern time, and be ready for class, right? I'm here to make you guys sick, right? Because it's sick trades. So, here we're gonna get some sick trades going on here. Feel me? A lot of our trades will run. A lot of times, like this position here, you could have held it and that ran. I just put you guys in at 60 pips. That ran 354 pips right there. From this position ran 354 pips, right? It don't always happen that way, but I be catching them, guys. So I try to do my best to catch these moves for you. It's very simple to read the markets. Now that I've been doing it for so many years, it's just become more redundant than anything because I do it every day and it's the same thing every day, you know. So yeah, I might take some L's, but I'm gonna win a lot. I'm gonna win so much more than I lose. Trust me. So I'm gonna always be up. You can lose good 70%, right, of the time and still be up. So this is a game where you have a higher chance, higher probability chance, of making money every time you come here, right? You just gotta play smart. You gotta be, vigilant, and you gotta be patient here in this game. That's what it's gonna take. See if my OCD be messing with me, y'all. All right, so but yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for coming to my stream. I'm gonna update you guys tomorrow. Sorry I couldn't get you guys in. I mean, we got in. If by the time the stream started, we were only up maybe a few pips, 20 pips. You could have still taken this. This was still valid, due to the fact that we had this insufficiency above. So, and this one here, I knew this was going to get filled. That was too easy. Just because of how what reacted down here let me know, like, hey, and we still were pushing up. Oh yeah. This is definitely getting hit and this is getting hit. So it was kind of an easy call today. Not too strenuous today. So we're done. I told you guys I don't hold you guys long. I'm only here for an hour. 9 o'clock is max, 9:30 sometimes. I'm not here long. I'm just here to get you guys the lesson and get going. People got shit to do, the rest of the day. Like, so do I. I got a whole baby that's been up since 6, actually since 5:30 this morning. So, yeah, she's up watching cartoons right now. educational ones at that. Um, so yeah, I mean, we're gonna come here, we're gonna get our pips, and then we're gonna get going for the day. We don't gotta be here all day. Now, if you do want to go to another stream, them guys are streaming right now. You know, live streaming Gold or whatever. You can go check them out. Um, but I'm pretty much done for the day. That's all I got for you. Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, one love. Mo Diesel out. Peace.